click on the subscriber button so that you'd be subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to decorate and recreate your old carton box. So let's get into the video. My old carton box, and you can see for sure if you're purchasing from Amazon you'll be getting these kind of carton box. All you're going to do is open the flap and tuck in all sides, the four sides of flap inside. Take a old t-shirt and make sure that you turn the t-shirt upside down, that is the pretty side should go in and you have to get into the wrong side. Okay, and take the down part of the t-shirt and tuck in so that you'll get the pretty side out like this, and gather all the down part to the down part of the carton box. Okay, make it nice and neat, and to the inside you can see you'll be having the neckline and the sleeves. So to hide the neckline and sleeves I'm just using the interfacing canvas, and you're going to ease the fabric and you're going to sew that together like this. It's a really cool and nice project, and you can just decorate like such and you can have that in your shelf. For sure no one will know that's an old carton box. So once it's done I'm going to decorate the sides of the box. So you can use any kind of decorative lace, and I'm going to use this tassel lace and I'll be sewing that to the fabric. So once it's been sewn together I'm just using a fabric glittery golden color glue, and I'm just using a generous amount of glue, and also I'm going to stick that with some mirror. So all I'm going to do is just press that nice and neat, so you'll be getting that glue all around. It's going to look really beautiful, and you can see I just love this, just pressing that in place. It just gives you a nice illusion of adding like a frame around the mirror. And once it's done, let it dry for an hour and it just looks really beautiful. I totally like this, and hope you have a carton box like this at your home. Recreate your carton box, give a new life and enjoy. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.